Hey guys, how you doing? So today it's a bit of a special video. We're gonna look at how to maintain your white stones. So the first thing you're gonna need is a diamond stone. So I'll be using an Atoma 600, and you'll also need a pencil. So this is a very hard one. This is a Nakayama LV5. So I would generally use the diamond stone on it every 10-15 erasers that I've used on it. So you do net on the stone with the pencil like this, and that's what you're gonna use to see if your stone has been, well, let's say slightly damaged and is not perfectly flat or not. The goal with the diamond stone is to lap the stone and to not seize the net anymore. If there are some spots where the net is still there, well, then you need to continue lapping the stone until it's fully gone. So that's it. We put a bit of water on the stone, and now we're gonna start lapping the stone. You don't need to press like mad on it, just a normal pressure. And let's have a look. Okay, here we still have a bit of pencil, so we need to continue. That means the stone wasn't perfectly flat. That usually shouldn't take too long unless the stone is really damaged. Now let's remove the diamond stone I have stuck, and it will be pity just to throw away this nice slurry. This is a very hard finishing stone, so 15k grade plus. So if you have a razor that needs a bit of maintenance, just a quick edge refresh, that's perfect slurry for it. And in a matter of fact, I have few like this, so I will take one of my usual shaver and that need a bit of a refresh. And this one is a magnetic razor made in Germany. I believe it's a 6.8. Really good razor, but it's kind of pulling a little bit recently. So a quick refresh should be good. Let's have a quick look on the edge just to confirm there is no dent. If there is a dent, that won't work. So now there is a bit of some scratches, a bit of oxidation, but that's normal, but no dents. So that's perfect. Just a quick refresh, that should do. So let's put some tape to protect the spine, and we can start. Okay. So because we are at the final stage of the honing, we will just use the X stroke. Use the usual X stroke. And this is a very nice slurry to use. So let's try the blade. Let's have a good look at the light beam. Perfect. And a quick check under the microscope. Sorry for the focus. Yeah, that's perfect. It's flat, it's nice. Now we're gonna just go with the razor on the strobe. I will usually do around 200 laps, and then I will go for the hanging hair test. So now, oh yeah, don't forget to clean your stones, especially Atoma. You can use some tap water with a sponge. So let's have a look if we can have a successful hanging hair test. Sounds good. Not sure if you see anything with the light here, but it's cutting well. Yeah, Perfect. Well, that's great. We're done. So you've got a perfectly flat stone and a nice edge. Hope you liked the video. If you did, I appreciate a thumbs up, and comments are always welcome. If you haven't done so, also you can subscribe to the channel to see more videos, and anything you'd like to see in new videos, please comment also. Thanks a lot. See you now. Bye.